Okay, so I've already calculated DE here. So we're gonna take the result of this, which is right there, and multiply to F, where this is F. Okay, so this is 1, -6, -5. All right, let's check that we can multiply it. This is a 3 by 3 matrix, and this is a 3 by 2 matrix. These two are the same, so we can multiply this. Okay, we're gonna end up with a 3 by 2. All right, this times by this is -3 plus 30 minus 10. And then it's 2 minus 6, 20 minus 20. And then we're going to multiply now this with this. So it's -18, -5, -10. And then 12, 1 minus 20. Okay, and then we're going to multiply this again with these two columns. So that's 9 plus 60 and 0. And then we have -6, -12, and 0. All right. So this is -13, 17, -24, right? This is -23, -10, -33, 69, 13 minus 7 minus 18. Okay, hopefully I didn't make any calculation error, but that's DEF.